Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your age on Discord using the official support page. The process is pretty simple. So let's get started. First, open any browser on your phone or computer and search for Discord support. Once the support page opens, look for the option that says Submit a Request and tap on it. Now from the drop-down menu, choose Appeals, Age Update, or Other Questions. After that, another section will appear. Under the type of question, select Update My Age Information. Next, enter the email address connected to your Discord account. You can also add your phone number if you want, but that part is optional. Now they carefully type your real date of birth exactly as it appears on your government-issued ID. This part is important because Discord may ask for verification if the information does not match. After that, fill in the subject and description box. You can briefly explain that you want to update the age on your account because the wrong birth date was entered previously. Then check the confirmation box, review all the details one more time, and tap the Submit button. Once your request is sent, Discord's support team will review it. In some cases, they may ask for additional verification, so keep an eye on your email inbox, including the spam folder.